Good morning, friends. You may be knowing due to the COVID-19, till recently, the high courts and Supreme Court, even local courts also, they have gone to the mode of virtual hearing. And virtual hearing during the time they have seen umpteen number of activities which are forbidden, actually which they are not supposed to see and which they were forced to see. So the advocates eating lunch and speaking, the advocates being in the banyan and speaking, and the advocate in the car himself is speaking. All these things we have seen, and guidelines are being given from time to time. Here, another such incident happened in Madras High Court area. Vulgarity during the court proceedings. Vulgarity. So here, what happened is when the bail application, when the bail petition is being argued, and the advocate is arguing the same, he is till such time he was seeing a video depicting a video clipping in online court proceedings. A male is found engaged in eroticism with a lady, erotic remarks. So your navel is like that, your breast portion is like this. This is what is called erotic remarks. So, but he did not stop it. He should have stopped it or he should have blurred it. But this was being seen. So, without stopping the same, this man is continuously arguing. But from the background, suppose you see my background, that legal advocate is there. So, if you want to get it, then you should wipe it out. Otherwise, what happens? It will be clearly visible. Likewise, this video clipping is clearly visible. And court said. So, what is that content? Online content. So, in which a male is found engaged in eroticism with a lady. Erotic remarks or eroticism. That means a compromising stage. So, it has gone viral in the social media also. So, now the court, High Court of Madras, they have taken it as suo motu contempt proceedings. So contempt, you may be knowing, under the Contempt of Act, section 12 is the penal section. Of course, the punishment may be up to 6 months or 2,000 rupees fine only. But anyway, when once you are taken to the contempt, there is a danger of you are being suspended or dismissed from the enrollment. That's the main problem. Otherwise, nobody cares the so-called Contempt of Courts Act. Right. Here the court commented that court cannot afford to be a mute spectator and cannot keep a Nelson's eye over the incident. Because when such brazen vulgarity is publicly displayed amidst the court proceedings, when court is going on, you must be very, very careful. When that video clipping going on, what the court can do, court cannot be a mute spectator. Then since it contained erotic material, the Honorable Chief Justice, the concerned Justice, he has taken it as a suo motu petition, and they actually asked the CBCID to register a case and investigate the matter because eroticism is found in the video clip, and definitely it comes under Section 67 of the Information Technology Act. Section 67, when once it comes as Information Technology Act, the local police may not be able to decide the matter quickly. They are not that proficient. Therefore, the Honorable Court asked the CBCID to register a case. So, under the relevant provisions, normally it comes under 67 IT Act. So, CBCID shall register case suo motu, and the Commissioner Greater Chennai, he should take steps to block the vulgar video. This is another point because when once it is being published, people will have tendency to have a look into the same. What is there like? So it should not be done. So they should be stopped. So Greater Commissioner is directed to take steps to block the vulgar video. Of course, Section 16 of the Information Technology Act gives power to block certain scenes from the videos. Right. Now, they have given instructions to the registry also. Registry will keep the video clipping of the video, and if necessary, show the same to the CBCID, because they have to conduct investigation. So for conducting investigation, they should know what is going on, what has gone viral in the video clipping. Therefore, there is necessity for them to look into the so-called video clipping. For this, so the registry should cooperate and they should coordinate with the investigation, right? So please remember, once again, the court is of the impression that they may try to conduct the proceedings physically or in hybrid mode. Of course, anyway, it is the decision to be taken by the Chief Justice of Madras High Court and not this judge. So immediately they wrote a letter to the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry regarding the action to be taken because it is a contemptuous action. So responding to the same, the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry put the advocate, okay, he's provisionally barred, yes, put the advocate under suspension. Anyway, he was provisionally barred to practice in the courts. So this is the result. Please remember, professional. That's why professional ethics is the most important topic. So this is a case which was actually taken up suo motu by the Madras High Court. So it has come in. You can read it. P.N. Prakash. Oh, these judges are P.N. Prakash and Hemalata. They are the judges. Of course, they are not given the name of the advocate also. But it is suo motu contempt petition number 1699 by 2021. If you find time, please read it and definitely you will know how a lawyer should not behave. Right? Thank you very much.